It's an honor to work with you all, and I'm literally crying now because it's not because I'm very disappointed on higher ups, but it's because I'm leaving you. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for everything, and for all the memories. um, it's hard for me to do this, but I need to do this. Thank you so much, guys. See you again.
Why, sir? Why? Why? We need you, sir. Oh.
I will not forget.
However,
I
sir,
will not forget this moment, guys. Thank you so much. See you again. Bye. Thank you for the